Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, park level, and set the parking brake because stability matters. Remove a few plastic liner clips with a trim tool. This exposes the access panel quickly. Once visible, turn your attention to the 10 mm bolt that secures the tail light. You'll also see the electrical connector. Release it by pressing the tab and pulling gently. Do this in sequence so you don't strain the wiring, and keep the small parts in a container to avoid losing them. Now you remove the bolts and free the lamp. Use a 10 mm socket and short extension to reach tight bolts. Turn steadily and place each bolt in a labeled tray. While unscrewing, support the lens with your free hand. Once bolts are out, push the assembly outward from the inside to clear the clips. Next, grasp each bulb holder and twist 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock. Pull straight back to disconnect. This prevents socket damage and preserves alignment for reassembly. Finish by fitting the replacement. Align the tabs, slide the assembly into its pocket until it seats, and start the bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once hand-tight, torque snug with the 10 mm socket, don't over-torque. Reconnect the wiring harness, then test brake, turn signal, and reverse lights to confirm function. If a bulb won't light, check the connector for corrosion and ensure the holder is fully rotated into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.